In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover MetaMask account. Start by installing MetaMask from the official website, or from your browser's extension store, or your mobile app store. This is important. Always use the official source to avoid fake or malicious apps. If you're on a desktop, confirm the website address in your browser reads metamask.io before downloading. On mobile, use the trusted app store and check the developer information so you're installing the legitimate MetaMask app. Once MetaMask is installed, open the app and choose the option to import your wallet or to indicate that you have an existing wallet. The interface will guide you to restore rather than creating a brand new seed. This is where your secret recovery phrase comes in. The 12-word phrase you wrote down when you first set up MetaMask. When prompted, enter your secret recovery phrase exactly as you recorded it. Make sure every word is in lowercase and separated by a single space, with no extra spaces at the start or end. Avoid relying on autocorrect or automatic formatting. If possible, type the words manually rather than pasting from a clipboard, because clipboard contents can sometimes be exposed to other apps. Double-check each word against your written copy before proceeding. If any word is misspelled or placed out of order, the phrase won't be recognized, and you won't regain access. After the phrase is accepted, you'll be asked to create a new password for this installation of MetaMask. This password encrypts the wallet data on your device and protects local access. It does not replace your secret recovery phrase. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere and store it securely. Consider using a reputable password manager if you have one. Once you confirm the password, MetaMask will restore your accounts and balances. Depending on network connections and the number of accounts you had, it may take a moment to sync. If you don't immediately see a token balance you expected, ensure you're on the correct blockchain network and give the app a moment to refresh. Finally, keep your secret recovery phrase private and offline. Never enter it into a website, share it in messages, or store it in an unencrypted file. If anyone ever asks for your seed or your private keys, that's a sign of a scam. With the phrase entered correctly and a secure password in place, you'll regain control of your MetaMask wallet and can continue using it as before.